In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Rocket Money. Managing your finances can often feel overwhelming, especially with multiple subscriptions adding up over time. Rocket Money offers a convenient way to streamline and take control of your monthly expenditures, saving you both time and money. So, let's walk through how you can easily cancel those unwanted subscriptions using Rocket Money's platform. To get started, you'll need to head over to Rocket Money's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL or simply searching for Rocket Money in your search engine. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account by providing some basic information. But assuming you have an existing account, just enter your credentials and proceed to the dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your command center on Rocket Money, providing a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. Now, focus your attention on the menu options available. You will find an option labeled Recurring. Click on this to access a complete list of all the recurring payments you're currently managing through Rocket Money. This is where you can get a good overview of what's draining your finances periodically without you even realizing it. Among the options that display, keep an eye out for a link that says looking to cancel a subscription. Click this option to move closer to getting rid of those pesky unwanted subscriptions. It will guide you to a new page where you can see the button for Start a Cancellation. Click on this button to initiate the cancellation process. Once you select Start a Cancellation, a search bar will appear. Here you can type in the name of the subscription you're looking to cancel. Rocket Money provides detailed search functionality to ensure you're selecting the right one. It's always a good idea to carefully confirm that you've selected the correct subscription if you have multiple accounts with similar names. After identifying the subscription you wish to cancel, follow any additional steps that are prompted on the screen. Rocket Money will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth cancellation process. It's essential to read these prompts carefully to make sure your request is completed without a hitch. Finally, once you've followed all the necessary instructions, make sure to confirm your cancellation when prompted. It's this last step that finalizes the process, removing the subscription from your list and freeing you from the unwanted charges going forward. And there you have it, a straightforward process to cancel subscriptions through Rocket Money. By managing your subscriptions effectively, you're now one step closer to better financial health. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.